Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 is a sleek and efficient laptop designed for everyday use. It comes with an Intel Core i3-1115G4 11th Gen processor that delivers fast and responsive performance. This laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD display that offers crystal clear visuals with vivid colors and sharp details. With 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD, this laptop provides ample storage and smooth multitasking capabilities. The pre-installed Windows 11 operating system ensures a smooth user experience, while the included Office 2021 software suite allows you to stay productive on the go. The IdeaPad Slim 3 also comes with a 2-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind for the user. Additionally, the laptop includes a 3-month Game Pass subscription, providing access to a wide range of games to keep you entertained. Weighing only 1.7 kilograms, this laptop is lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for those who are always on the go.